Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 36. Today we learn SQLAlchemy, an object relational mapper for Python. Instead of raw SQL, we define Python classes that map to tables. We will build models, relationships, and track projects. An ORM lets you work with database rows as Python objects. Create engine connects to the database. Session tracks your changes. Models define table structure with column types like integer and string. We install SQLAlchemy with pip, then create ORM Basics.py. We import create engine, column types, DeclarativeBase, and sessionmaker. Create engine opens a SQLite file. Echo false keeps the console clean. DeclarativeBase is the modern base class. All models inherit from it. Contact model maps to a contacts table. Each attribute becomes a column. Create all builds the table from our model. SessionMaker creates session instances. Session.add inserts one contact. Commit writes it to the database. Add all inserts multiple contacts at once. Count confirms the total. Query.all fetches every contact. We loop and print each one. Filter by finds contacts matching a condition. First returns just one result. Updating is simple. Change the attribute and commit. Delete removes a contact from the session after commit. Let us review the complete file. "76 lines. Engine, model, session, and full CRUD operations." Now let us run it and see the ORM in action. Alice added with row id 1. 4 total contacts. Query, update, and delete all work. ForeignKey links one table to another. It stores the parent row id. Relationship creates a Python attribute to navigate between linked models. Back populates makes the link work in both directions automatically. Let us create ORM Relationships.py to link authors and books. We add ForeignKey and relationship to our imports. Same engine and base setup, this time connecting to library.db. Author model has a books attribute via relationship. Back populates links both ways. Book model has author id as ForeignKey, pointing to the authors table. We seed Tolkien with 4 books and Rowling with 2, using the relationship. Navigating author to books is a Python list. Loop through and print. The reverse works too. Book.author gives you the parent object. Filter by year greater than 1950 returns recent books sorted by year. Append adds a book through the relationship. SQLAlchemy sets the ForeignKey. Counting books per author uses len on the relationship list. Let us review the complete file. "95 lines. 2 models linked by ForeignKey and relationship. Now let us run it and see the relationships in action. Tolkien has 4 books, Rowling has 2. Navigation works both ways. Five books after 1950. Tolkien now has 5 total after appending the Silmarillion. Functions wrap database operations for clean, reusable code. Session.get fetches a record by primary key. Modern and concise. Func.count and sum compute aggregates with join and group by. Let us build a project tracker with functions for each operation. We import func for aggregates and boolean for the done flag. Same engine and base pattern. The tracker database will hold projects and tasks. Project model has name, client, and a tasks relationship. Task model has title, a done boolean, and a foreign key to projects. Setup creates tables, then seeds 2 projects with their tasks. Add task finds a project by name and attaches a new task to it. Complete task uses session.get, the modern way to fetch by primary key. Get project stats joins project and task, groups by name with count and sum. The main block removes any old database, calls setup to seed fresh data. We loop through projects and print each task with to-do or done status. Complete task marks tasks 1, 2, and 5 as done. Adding a monitoring task to website redesign through the Add Task function. Updated view shows check marks for completed tasks and the new monitoring task. Stats show completion percentages, API migration at 33%, website at 40%. Let us review the complete file. (136 lines), models, functions, and a full workflow. Now let us run it and see the tracker in action. Two projects seeded. Tasks toggle between to-do and done. Stats show progress. Functions keep the code organized. Each does one database job cleanly. Let us recap SQLAlchemy ORM. Create engine connects to a database file. Models map classes to tables with column types. Relationships link models using ForeignKey. Func provides count, sum, and other aggregates. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. Next time we build CLI applications,